In front of me is XIAOMI Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then choose All Services. Scroll down to hit Autofill with Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Now you need to select one of your passwords that you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!